So page 1 related to topic 8, you can use the screen annotation to answer, or you can also use a chat. The name of elements of period 2 are there in the periodic table as shown: lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Answer the following questions about these elements. Each element may be used once, more than once, or not at all. Is a product of photosynthesis. You can annotate on the screen, or you can use a chat as well. You can use your mic. Is a product of photosynthesis, that's oxygen. Has an oxide found in a clean dry air. Means oxide of this element is in a dry air. Which element? Carbon, because carbon dioxide is present in clean dry air. Like, because oxide of a carbon is carbon mono and carbon di. So carbon dioxide is present in the clean dry air. Form a basic oxide of formula X2O. Means X2O means like valency of oxygen is -2. So this element is +1. It's a group 1. That's good. Lithium. Then is a main component of fertilizer used in improvement of the growth of the plants. Which one? So nitrogen is there because of NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are the essential elements which we need. So nitrogen is a main component. Has high rate of diffusion at room temperature. Like diffusion happen for both gases and liquid. Gases diffuse faster. So which of the gas, like lithium is a solid, beryllium solid, boron solid, carbon solid, nitrogen gas, oxygen gas, fluorine gas, neon gas. Nitrogen is the total mass of nitrogen, because nitrogen exists as N2, so 28. Oxygen exists as O2, 32, 16 into 2. Fluorine exists as F2, so 19 multiplied by 2 makes 38. And neon is monoatomic, so which is 20, because 10 and 20. So which gas will diffuse faster at room temperature? So it should be neon. Is it clear why? Because nitrogen is not like N. Nitrogen is N2. And N2, the total mass will be 28. Oxygen will be 32. Fluorine will be 38 because 2. But neon is a monoatomic. It's a group 8. That's why it should be neon. It produces a red flame in a flame test. Which one produces a red flame in a flame test? Which element? So that's right. Lithium will produce a red flame in a flame test. Has 5 electron in each of its atom. 5 electron. So which one is? That is boron. When you check the periodic table, boron is having a 5 electron. And has oxide responsible for acid rain. Yeah, that's right. This was boron. Which is responsible for acid rain? Form an acidic oxide. So nitrogen, that's correct. Yeah, that's right, nitrogen. Page 2. The periodic table can be used to classify the element. We have group 1. Place the element most reactive first and the least reactive. When we go down the group 1, reactivity increases as we go down the group. So which one is at the bottom? We have 4 elements: cesium, lithium, potassium, rubidium, sodium, which is there at the bottom of the periodic table in this series. Cesium is there. Then rubidium. Then we have potassium, sodium, and at the last we'll have lithium. That's right. Name the alkaline solution formed when cesium, because lithium react with water, lithium hydroxide. Sodium react with water, sodium hydroxide. Potassium react with water, potassium hydroxide. Rubidium react with water, rubidium hydroxide. So when cesium react with water, what will be the product? It will be cesium hydroxide. Group 1 elements have a low melting point than the transition metal. Describe other difference in the physical property of group 1 and the transit. So low melting point is one. What else? Low density, good. Group 7 elements are known as the halogens. Astatine is below iodine. Predict the physical state. Like we have fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. So the first two are gases. So this one is a gas. This one is a gas. Bromine is liquid. Iodine is solid. So what is the physical state of astatine? That should be solid at room temperature.